It's no entry, fool. I was filtering by. You fucking tit.
Why have you got your side mirror closed, motherfucker? You need that shit for seeing people like me. And you got like a little thing that's hanging off the end of your car. Look, it's like wiggling around. You need your side mirror, dude. You can't see, like, right now you can't see me. There you go, so you're braking for some dumb reason. You need your side mirror! Your side mirror, you see the side mirror. These things.
Yeah, nice underwear. Oi, bro, what are you doing? What do you mean, love? Yeah. What do you mean? Move, you can't. Move, you can't.
What do we do? What? What? That was him, you idiot! I didn't say a word! I didn't say a word! He's in front of me. I will. Meet ya.
Why are you braking? It is a green light. Don't brake. Another green light and he's braking. Read this sign. Stop here on red signal. He goes through it. He goes through it. Everybody's going through it. Fuck you!
You're gonna pull out slow as hell.
not serious. What's wrong?
Hey, I gotta ask you a question.
A troll warning has been issued for the internet until further notice. Trolling a troll will not help eliminate the troll. To repeat, do not respond to trolls. Doing so is called feeding the trolls, and worsens the problem.
Why are you speeding faster than me? I'm doing 50 miles an hour and you flying by me like an idiot. You're driving faster than me, though. Like, that's something you don't do, though.
Why?
Because, what if I decided to turn and you were going too fast? You would have hit me.
You just got over in that lane. I was paying.
But what if I didn't? You would have been on my ass.
I wasn't on your ass.
Go ahead and go. Just remember, go slow next time.
Why should I go slow?
Because you should.
Because you go.
Pick a lane, any lane. Pick a fucking lane.